Hi, welcome back. In this module, we'll be talking about how to set up a Slack account. I've divided this module into 4 parts. The first part is how to create a workspace. The second part is how to invite you. The third part is how to edit your profile. And the fourth part is how to manage notifications. The third and fourth part are very important. Moving on, I'll start with you decide to sign up for Slack. I'll enter my email ID here. Send me a code, which I'll enter now. After I've entered the code, it will bring this place. I will now create a workspace. So I have put invite, selected invite here. Now I'll skip this step. After which I'll be able to invite more people and set it up. I'll be using Slack in my browser for this video. So this is how you create